Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use multiple fonts in one line on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Squarespace, just click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner. And from here, you can continue with Google, you can continue with email, or you can click the More options so that you can continue using your Apple account, your Facebook, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here, using multiple fonts in one line in Squarespace or any website can add visual interest and enhance the overall design. Now, I believe that different fonts can help establish a visual hierarchy within your text. Now, for example, you might use a larger, bolder font for headings, right? To make them stand out while using a smaller, lighter font for body text. Now, if you do that, it can draw attention to specific words or phrases, helping to emphasize important points or calls to actions. Now, for us to be able to do that, we need first to go to our dashboard. And once you are here, you need to choose the website that you are going to work with, or just select the built-in domains that you wanted. Say, for example, we're going to be using this one. Click on the option for website, and then let's hover to the edit section. As you can see, that's going to be the edit section. Now, when you click on it, we can use a different font to draw specific words or phrases. Now, when I hover down to the text section right here, now for us to be able to do that, what we need to do is go to the custom CSS so we can add multiple fonts in one line. Now, just go to the utilities, and under that, hover to website tools. And from here, just click on the custom CSS. Now, from here, as you can see, you can have on two options. You can just simply paste the code here, or you can click on this open a new window, and a new window basically will pop up if you are more comfortable with that while editing the next interface at the back. Or just let's exit that and continue editing. Now, from here, to be able to use a different multiple fonts or a font style, just click on the custom files right here, and there's going to be an option wherein you can add images or fonts. Now, you can click on the plus button, and once it's loaded, it's here. So the second step that we're going to do is to rename this specific font style. Now we need to put the custom CSS code here, right? And after that, we need to change the font name right here, and also the URL, because it was generated when we paste the code just here. So for you to do that, all you're gonna do is remove this one right here, and then just go to the font style, click on this one. When you click on it, as you can see, should close it in a new window so that we can see the changes. So from here, click on the font style, and as you can see, it's being reflected here, right? Now, exit that. Okay, so just put again the cursor in this line, click the custom files, and click on that so it can generate the error. There you go. Once you've done that, now from here, just change the font name into anything, like maybe like this one. Now, once you rename all of it, the next most important part of this video is just clicking on save right here. And when you do that, click on edit, because from here we need to, now after that, just go to the on-page content and then click on the HTML so that you can change the H1 and H2 right here. And then for you to be able to see the changes just click on save again. Now if you're lost during the whole navigation process, I suggest you go here at the changing fonts in the Squarespace Help Center. It's a guide on how fonts work with Squarespace. And the font collection includes 600 Google fonts and 1000 Adobe fonts. But if you wanted a more customized fonts, you are welcome to download free OTF files. That's one of the file types that's been accepted here in Squarespace. And then yeah, I went here just to find the font tweak right here. So font tweaks are differently depending on your site's version. Now if you're using a version 7.1, it's different from version 7.0. And again, to change all of the fonts site-wide, just click on the open style sites right here. Or you can simply, what we did earlier, is we go to the custom CSS. Now when you click on the open site styles, it will just return to the fonts panel and set the font's base size and all the other text relative to this size. And again, if you wanted more information, I suggest you go here. And that's how we are going to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.